So, oh, that's not hard to open at all. These are 4 things. Where is the 5th one? Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Ariha Suhail and today we'll be unboxing my IPSY glam bag for the month of November. I have missed it so much and I'm so excited to have this back. So let's get into this. This time we have actually got a card which tells us about the items that are present in our bag. So let's check the items first. First of all, we have this cream blush by Item Beauty. Actually, it's an add-on because I so wanted to try a cream blush. And finally, we've got one. Oh wow, the packaging is quite nice. So, oh, that's not hard to open at all. Oh, finally. Really? It looks like a powder blush. I don't see the difference between a cream and a powder blush though. So let's try this. Oh, nice. Actually, it does look different than the powder blush. It's actually quite nice. Wow. Then we have our actual glam bag. Wow, this time it seems quite nice. It does not look like it's been made from recycled garbage. So it feels really soft. Then we have this liquid lipstick. It's from the brand M2U NYC. Well, I just feel like it should be pronounced as U2 because U and the 2 dots here. I actually picked it myself because I so wanted to have a liquid lipstick that dries out and doesn't transfer after a few minutes. The color is quite intense. I would never have picked this color for myself, but it's nice. I don't think I'm ever gonna wear this outside, but it's nice to have some extra makeup that we're never gonna use. So the next item we have is this tiny little candle. It's from Juicy Couture Bunny Honeybee. It's written in a very funny font and it's a fine fragrant soy candle. So let's try this. Ooh, it smells quite nice. Let's burn this. Ooh, that's fancy. So I've heard some really great things about the candles included in the IPSY glam bags this month, and I'm really impressed by the fragrance as well. Although it's quite small in size, but still I think it's a good thing to receive in a bag in which we typically receive makeup and skincare. But it seems quite nice. Although the fragrance seems to be more of summer season. Maybe it's because of the very cold metal case, but still it's a fun thing to receive in a glam bag. So the next item we have is this argan body oil. I think it's from the company Pink Pepper. And oh, nice. I really like the smell of argan oil anyway, so oh my god, I shouldn't have put this much on my hand, but it seems quite nice. So the next item I have in here is this the single eyeshadow pan from Naked Cosmetics. So this is how it looks. It has a very nice packaging and this is the shade. It's almost the same as I'm wearing right now, which I have in the liquid form that I got in BoxyCharm that I'm really in love with. So maybe I should pass on swatching this. So the final item we have in here is this eye cream from Murad. So the box seems quite big, but oh my god, isn't this the tiniest, most cutest eye cream that you have ever seen in your life? I've heard some really nice things about this brand. So the good thing about it is that it is filled up to here with a little air bubble over here, but I think it will be enough for like 5 to 6 uses maybe. So, and the funny thing is it says that we should use it within 6 months of opening it. So this is actually quite nice. I'm really excited about this as well. So that was everything that I received in my bag this month. This eye cream, this body oil, this candle, this liquid lipstick. These are 4 things. Where is the 5th one? Where is the 5th one? I love this thing about IPSY. Whenever I'm getting bored, I just think about what were the 5 items that I received this month, and every time I forget 1 or 2, so I have to look up in the website again, and that keeps me busy for the whole month until I receive my next bag. So I actually can't remember what was the 5th item that in my bag. Oh, it was this eyeshadow. And the 6th item was this cream blush that I got as an add-on, which I'm the most excited about because it looks quite nice. So that was everything that I received in this box. I hope you guys liked it. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Take a very good care of yourself. See you next month. Until then, take care. Bye bye.